Parliamentary and development specialist with 18 years of experience in parliamentary coordination, administration, gender and inclusive development, programming, and management. She is endowed with fundraising skills, and with her pleasant personality, she has built a reputation for using her diplomatic prowess to develop and manage complex relationships in a productive and sustainable manner. No wonder she is the current Director General of the Parliamentary Service of Sierra Leone. She is married with a daughter. Mrs. Fraser started her career as a teacher and later vice principal in the School of Educational Pursuit in the Gambia and in Sierra Leone. She has worked as a program officer with the Ministry of Social Welfare and Gender and Children's Affairs, served in the UN systems in both WFP and UNIFED, now UN Women. As a field monitor and advocacy coordinator, respectively, she is experienced as women's and child rights advocate, and therefore worked also with NGOs like Advocacy Movement Network and COPI as a women's advocacy coordinator and women's rights coordinator, respectively. Mrs. Fraser came to Parliament with overwhelming experience in 2012. I'm a testament to that. She served as a development partnership program coordinator and head of the Parliamentary Assistance Coordination Office, DPAC. In that office, I deputized her. She became the first female director. She became the first female director in the history of the Parliament of Sierra Leone and was appointed Director of Department of Parliamentary Assistance Coordination, that is DPAC, in 2017 to May 31st, 2021. She was later at DPREP, which is now DPREP. In 2021, after a competitive interview process, she emerged as the first Director General in the Parliament of Sierra Leone. Please let's give her an applause.
I think there is something they always say, you say you can do better. Please, you can clap again.